Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to an incredible innovation in the world of technology, the AI-based website, Imagecreator. Imagine a tool that can bring your imagination to life with just a few words. That's exactly what Imagecreator does. This platform utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to generate images based on descriptions provided by users. Whether you're a marketer looking to create eye-catching visuals or an artist seeking inspiration, Imagecreator is here to make your creative vision a reality. In our informative YouTube video today, we'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Imagecreator to unleash your creativity. Simply click on Create here. You have various options for generating an image. You can create it using text input, provide an image as a reference, or even swap any part of the image. Let's start by generating an image using text. I'd like to create a picture featuring a dog sitting on a table. Notice how wonderfully it interprets the text and produces a visual representation for me. Now, let's attempt to generate an image using a reference image as our guide. I would like to use this image as a reference to recreate it and generate a similar picture. Notice how beautifully it recreates a picture of grass and a dog for me. Experience the magic of image creation with our innovative tool. Whether crafting visuals through text or using reference images, watch as your ideas come to life with stunning accuracy and detail. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos.